Now, meaning of partnership, we are going to see that the partnership, the name says that it is a relationship between the two, at least two people. Okay, so according to the Partnership Act 1932, as MCQ's point of view, this one is important. Partnership Act is 1932. So 1932, partnership relationship between who have agreed to share the profits. Remember that, who have agreed to share the profit. At that place you can write share the profit and losses, that things not given even, you can write. So share the profit and losses at carried by all. This point also little important. Carried by all or any one of them acting for all. Any one of them acting for all. These all are the things why I'm talking. This is MCQ's point of view. It is still important. You know that MCQ total 20 marks MCQ you have, and in 20 marks MCQs, most of that theoretical part as well as that your sacrificing ratio, gaining ratio, and all the things will be right. Okay, so now that it is acting for all, the meaning of that things you should remember that any one of the person or partners of a partnership firm, if have done any work, that will be applicable to everyone. That's why it is written acting for all. So that's the example, 5 partners are there. Out of that, 1 partners have done any one of that illegal thing, that illegal things will be applicable or can say against of all 5 partners, not alone. That's why it is written acting for all. The act also explains the person who have entered into the partnership will one another are individual called partners. So the partners, the people who actually engage in that business, they are known as partner. Now at present, characteristics of the partnership. Now first point is that association of 2 or more person, 2 or more than 2 person. Remember that first point, that association of 2 or more person. Now at least 2 person is there, but maximum has given that maximum things also we are going to see that also MCQ's point of view important. Maximum number of partners, rule number 10. Okay, rule number 10, as per the rule 2014, that not more than 50%, 50. So 50%, right? So that minimum person are 2, maximum are 50. Point number 3, existence of an agreement. Indirectly, without any agreement between the partners, there should not be a partnership firm. Indirectly, that the relationship between the partners that comes under in a paper or orally, that is known as the agreement. Next point is very, very important, existence of business. Now, if the 2 persons join together, coming together to do one work one time, and after that the person is not at all doing that work again. Example, if I'm talking about 2 person A and B join together, coming together and purchase a land. Okay, and this land disposed, purchase a land for rupees 1 lakh, and that disposed of rupees 2 lakh. So if you check that, if they have disposed 2 lakh, 1 lakh rupees profit they got. If 1 lakh rupees profit they got, that 1 lakh rupees they have distributed among them. 2 person were there, so that distributed among them. After that, they are not at all indulged in any one of that activities like that. So that is not a continuity. I hope you understood. This is not a business. So that will be not a partnership firm. One time any one of the activities they have done, after that they are not at all doing that activities, that is not at all treated as a partnership firm. So the partnership definitely have a business, that is should be continuity. I hope you understood.
Yes, sir.
All the 4 points over, or the what are the 4 point I told? That first one is the 2 minimum person, maximum 50, that must be an agreement between the person, and there must be a business, right? So these are the things done. Now next heading that we are going to see that the partnership did. That word is used here, the partnership did is nothing but a documents, or can say that it is an agreement between the partners, that is known as the partnership deed. So partnership deed is according to section 5. Again, as per the MCQ's point of view, that section 5 you should remember, as per the Partnership Act 1932. Partnership Act, we know that very well, this is 1932 Partnership Act. So partnership deed is an agreement between the two or more person, or more than two person, their mutually contractual relationship and its limitation for better and that effective operation of business. So that any one of that relation maintained between the partners, that will be form of written or in the form of oral. If it is oral, definitely there will be no partnership deed. Means that if that you and me is a very good friend and we started a partnership firm, but as a very good friend we not made any written form, that what are the things we told that okay, the profit we will earning, that will distribute among them equally. Just only by word we started that things. So at that moment, at that time, there will be not written agreement, so there will be no partnership deed. That also can be possible in the partnership firm. Oral agreement also can be possible. Now, as per the section 5 Companies Act 2000 1930, sorry, it is not a Companies Act, it is a Partnership Act. Partnership Act 1932. Partnership, it is the agreement between the two or more person, that contractual between them. What are the things are to be main important, you have written in the form of documents, that is known as the partnership deed. Now the question is that as per the Partnership Act 1932, it is compulsory, that I am asking, that is it compulsory to make the partnership deed? Answer is no, there is not compulsory to make the partnership deed. Even the partnership also not compulsory to register also. Got the point? It is not at all compulsory to registration of the partnership firm. So that's why it is not compulsory to make the partnership deed also. Now, fundamental facts of the things in the partnership deed, what will be, they have given down. So what are the things can be written? If you have made a documents, don't see the screen, just you tell me that you and me, if I am making any business partnership firm, what are the things you need to write there? What are you thinking about? What are the things I supposed to write in the documents?
Profit sharing ratio,
Profit sharing ratio, okay.
interest on capital,
Capital, how much we
percentage,
are providing and all that thing, right?
yeah. And then the drawings, interest.
Okay, interest on drawings and all that things, these are the things we are going to write that. Okay, partnership deed is a document, so where most of the things we are going to write, what are the things we are going to write? Name and address of all partners, name and address of the firm, nature of the business, which type of business actually we are going to be make, capital contributed by the partner, that already you told about, rate of interest on capital. So any one of that capital you provided, that if any rate has fixed, that also given, rate of interest of drawings also, right? Apart from this, profit sharing ratio, partner salary, duration of the partners, settlement of the dissolution. That means any time that the partnership firm going to be dissolved, that time what are the things we supposed to be remember, or what are the things, what are the steps we supposed to be take for the dissolving, that also written in the partnership deed. So many are that, most of the time, most of details given to your partnership firm, if that deed you made. One point you might be trouble, or you might be not understand, that is point number 20, abbreviation clause, arbitration clause. Arbitration clause, could you tell me that what is arbitration? Any idea?
No, sir.
Arbitration is nothing but what? If that any dispute arises between two partner, again, any dispute arises between two partner, that dispute can be sorted out by going to the court. But we know very well that when we are going to the court, that case, if we file, that will take lots of time to sort it out. So that's why before making that any of the partnership or any of the contract, they decided that if any dispute arises in between, that time, rather than we are going to the court, we will go to in a small institution where that easily and rapidly that case can be sorted out. That place is known as the arbitration. Got the point? That
Yes,
things
sir.
is known as the arbitration. So this in arbitration clause is nothing but related to the arbitration, that what are the things you have written. Clause, always remember that it is a points. So always what are the things you have written, that will be known as a clause. So that arbitration clause, regarding of the arbitration, if anything you have written in the documents, that will be given in the arbitration clause. That's it. I hope clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now come to that different types of partnership. But before going to that, we will go some other things. That things not given here, that I'm going to tell you. What I told here, that partnership deed, it is not compulsory. Correct or not? We have seen that partnership deed, it is not compulsory. Just you think now, if the partnership deed, if it is not compulsory, concentrate what I'm talking. If the partnership deed, if it is not compulsory, that means this all that ingredients, it's not required to write. So if we have not done, if these things we have not done, but me and you, it's a very good friend, I told. If we have
Yes.
not done the things, but when the money matter coming, no, that everyone should be enemy someday. So it can be possible in future that dispute arises, you and me. So that time, that definitely where I should go? We should go to the court. We went to the court. Now judge first asking that where is your arbitration clause, or where is your deed? Now our answer will be what? We not made any deed. So the first thing is that judge will slap first to us. Because of that, we not made any deed. Because of the no agreement between that. Now, if we went to the court responsibility that will be sorted out the things. So that the court already made some rules. Already made some rules if the partnership deed is silent. So what are the rules that we are going to see? Point number 1, profit sharing ratio. You should write this thing. This is very, very important. Profit sharing ratio will be equal. Profit sharing ratio will be equal if partnership deed is silent. Otherwise, the partnership deed you not made. Indirectly, partnership deed you not made. We can say that partnership deed is silent. Now, partnership deed, if it is silent, profit sharing ratio first will be equal. Point number 2, interest on capital. Interest on capital. Now, what is interest on capital first? The things is, company, that means partnership firm and partners, I'm thinking they are different. Okay, partnership firm and partners are different. When that money matter coming, that time they are different. So if they are different, firm also can talk, partners also can talk indirectly. Firm telling that, dear partners, I am going to start my business. So can it be possible you can give some capital to me? Partners telling, yes, I can give you some capital. Say example, 5 lakh rupees I have given capital to you. But firm, you remember that this 5 lakh, if I have given to you, you should give one interest to me. Firm telling why these things? Because of partners telling, rather than if I put that 5 lakh rupees to you, if I put any one of that in bank, definitely bank will give some interest to me, no? So that 5 lakh rupees I am giving to you and you are doing a start of your business. So definitely this interest bank, I have given this 5 lakh rupees to you, so that this is my loss. Some of that amount is loss because of I have not put that in the bank in the form of a fixed deposit or any other deposit. So partnership firm telling that, dear, it's fine, but after someday I'm going to give you the profit part also. How much profit I'm going to earn out of that profit part, how much investment you have done, that profit part also I'm going to give you. Partners telling that fine, that's fine, you should give that, that other partner is also going to get that, that is okay, but interest on capital I need. So now in this condition contradict will be arises. So if any, now main thing, if partnership did you made, in this interest on capital you allowed, then it is okay, then it is okay. But if partnership did you not made, that is partnership did is silent, you cannot allow any interest on capital. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
So the first point what we have seen, as per this partnership is silent, profit sharing ratio is equal, then interest on capital should be nil. Interest on capital, that means no interest on capital. Point number 3, exactly like no interest on drawings also. No interest on drawings also. Point number 4, no salary for partner. No salary for partner. Apart from this no salary for partner, we can write no bonus, no commission also. No bonus, no commission. So that what are the things we have seen? If partnership deed is silent, again and again I'm telling this word, if partnership deed is silent, profit sharing ratio equal, interest on capital no, interest on drawings no, no salary for the partners, no commission for the partners, no bonus for the partners.
Yes, sir.
Okay, one last point is there, that point also we are going to discuss here. The point is, if the partners, if the partners given any form of loan or advances, the name can be given for a loan or advances, at that time partnership firm telling that there will be no interest, but this time will not to be allowed this. What is the things is going on here? Means that if any loans or advances given by a partner to a firm, it is not form of capital, remember that, it is not form of capital, it is given in the form of loan. How? That one story also we are going to see. Say example that all already given that 5 lakh 5 lakh, two partners are there, 5 lakh 5 lakh already provided, now 10 lakh rupees already given. Now after certain period of time, that firm telling that we need more 5 lakh rupees. Now no person having 5 lakh rupees more capital ready to give. So at that time firm will visit where? Firm will go to the bank and all. Correct or not? Firm will go to the bank or any other financial institution to collect that more 5 lakh. But person B, say example, this is person B. Person B having lots of personal property. Person B telling that Rather than you are going to the bank will charge 14% of interest. You take that loan from me, that is advance from me. I will not give as in the form of capital, I can give in the form of loan. Be telling like that. Got the point?
Mm.
At that time, be even a partner of the firm. So that firm telling that, oh dear, you are the partner of the firm only. So there will be no interest on loan also. At that time, this will not allow. Interest on loan will be always allowed, even though the partnership deed is not there. Right? Even though the partnership deed is not there. Now, some of the partners given here, just we are going to see that many types of partners. Just I'm not taking much time on that. Just
Yes.
easily you can see and you can understand also. First point is, if you're seeing here the active partner. Active partner are those partner actually they are doing work, right, in the partnership firm day night. No, normally when they are need to do work, they are doing work. They are known as the active partner. Next one is that dormant partner or sleeping partner. Sleeping partner is that partner the name is given in the partnership, but they are not actual working, right? They are known as the sleeping partner. That is known as a silent partner. Secret partner, again, the public doesn't know about that the person is a partner. Okay, public or other creditor not known about the person as a partner. What is the difference between silent partner and secret partner? Just you see that
So
a
silent
silent partner is
partner.
known as the public as a known to the public as a partner. He does not participate in affairs of the management,
Oh,
but he is liable to pay debt. This point is very very
yes.
important. Liable to pay
Any profit, sir?
debt. Debt in the sense of what? That any time the partnership firm going to be dissolved, or can say that going to be wind up, that time the
Yes.
person also liable to pay the amount. Next, secret
So will
partner.
the silent partner have will get the profit?
Silent partner will get the profit. Yes. Silent
Yes, that's
partner will get the profit, but only the things is that what in silent partner, the partners not at all taking part any management activities.
yes.
Okay, next one is secret partner. The person takes active part. The difference, have you got that? The person take active part, and here in silent partner not at all taking any part even. So that silent partner, it's not at all taking any part, but secret partner taking parts, but public does not know about that. Okay, so that person is known as the secret partner. Again, secret partner, he is liable to pay all the debts of the firm. He is also liable to pay the debt. Next is the nominal partner. Nominal partner are do not share any profit or losses. This point is nominal partner very very important. It is totally different from the other partners. Every partners, if you seeing the sleeping partner, active partner, silent partner, secret partner, they are profit and losses they are sharing. But nominal partner actually they are not sharing profit as well as they are not at all sharing any losses. Do not participate in the management also, but a firm only uses the name and reputation of the partners. Say example, I am Amitabh Bachchan. So the partners using my name, that partnership firm using my name to grow their business. I am not at all, even that their partnership firm, they have written my name. I am not at all participating any activities. I am not at all participating any profit part or as well loss part. Next, minor partner, the name says that the person, it is lesser than the 18 years of age, and there with the consent of all partners. The person can be a partner only if that other all partners given consent. Then only the minor partner can be a partner. I hope clear.
Yes, sir.
A minor partner admitted in the profit. He has no liability for losses. So the difference, could you find this? The minor partner can get the profit, but he is not liable to pay off any one of the losses.
Yes,
Clear?
sir. Mm.
Yes. Senior partner, a partner who is actually playing important role in management according to his ability, experience and capital. The person actually from the beginning, or that very old person in the firm having expertise, right? They are known as a senior partner. Next, junior partner, just now the person become a partner. That person is known as the junior partner. Say example, a person who has a small investment in the firm and has limited experience of business is called the junior partners. I hope clear. Correct now?
Yes. Yes.
Next is the limited partner. This limited partner is nothing but that when any liability arises, that time, that up to his limited liability only the person will pay. That means of what? Any one of the liability arises, that person will pay. Say example, his liability up to 50,000. So the person will pay up to 50,000 only, not more than that. Got the point? So that limited partnership, that will be effect at the time of dissolution only. That means dissolve the firm. So that
Okay.
firm any arises any liability. Say example, firm arises that 5 lakh rupees liability, and the person A having limited liability up to 50,000. So that the person only pay up to 50,000, not 5 lakh. Got the point?
Yes.
But unlimited liability is that what? Unlimited partner is that partner pay up to the completion of that whole liability of the firm. So, say example, in the property, the partnership having a property rupees 2 lakh rupees in the firm. So my share and all the thing, capital and all the things contributed 2 lakh rupees in the firm. But that if the liability arises 5 lakh, the partners liable to pay 5 lakh, not only 2 lakh. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
So unlimited liability, there is no limit. There is up to that completion of your liability that person will pay. So they are known as, these are the things. Any doubt up to this? Tell.
No, no, no.
No doubt, but the things is that if you not revise, you cannot remember that things. Okay. So these all are the things already we have seen. Interest on partners loan, that will be 6%. If deed is silent, interest on capital, no. Interest on drawings, no. Interest on drawings, no. As well, silent salary, no. Remuneration, no. Commission, no. Bonus, no. Here that profit sharing ratio will be equal. That things
Equal.
already we have discussed. Correct?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, one question is there. Just we are reading the question and you try to solve this. Answer is given down, but I'm not showing. Ram and Sham are partners in a partnership firm. Partnership deed is not present. Partnership deed was not present. Now, in this, some issues arrived in their firm due to absence of partnership deed. Help them resolve the following issues, giving proper judgment. Point number one, Sham has advanced a loan of rupees 1 lakh to the firm. Sham has given 1 lakh rupees loan to the firm. It is advances. It is not a capital. Remember that. And
Yes, sir.
demanding 12% per annum. Demanding 12% interest per annum on loan. Ram is ready to charge 6% per annum. Two persons, say example, Ram and Sham. Sham charging Sham, that partnership bid is not made before. Now Sham telling that no, I will charge 12% per annum. But Ram ready to give 6% per annum. Now tell me, as per your thinking, what should be will be?
According to Sham, he should not get 12%, but Ram should give him 6%. The
Yes.
firm should give him 6.
Yes, firm should give 6%. So Ram what applied, or Ram told what that Ram told, that will be applicable. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next is that Ram is an active partner and manages almost every managing activities. So he is demanding remuneration for his work, but Sham is refusing. Sham telling, no, no, no. You are a partner. You are going to get a profit part. Why again that salary and all the things you are going to get? As the partnership it is silent, that I am not going to give any salary to you. Is that okay?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. So Sham refusing, that will be only applicable. Now Sham want to change interest on capital 10% per annum, but Ram is refusing it. Again, Sham
Yes,
wants to
sir.
charge interest on capital. Now Sham telling that my interest on capital should be 10%, and Ram telling no, no, no interest on capital. So whom work will be okay, or whom demand should be okay?
So,
Here, whose demand should be okay? That means whose demand should be applicable.
oh, this one. Ram's demands.
Yes, because of no interest on capital. But Sham even demanding or charging, there will be no interest. Ram wants to charge interest on drawings 12% per annum. Now tell, is that okay?
No, sir, it's not the interest on Ram.
Interest on drawings also no. Okay. Now what are the answer we've seen here? That all are the things here only. Right? Now the things is, we are going to see these two things. Methods of maintaining capital account of partners. Methods of maintaining capital accounts of partners. If you see that, there will be two methods. One is that fluctuating, another one is fixed method. I'm going to explain them before showing the format. Okay. The name says that it is a fluctuating capital. Fluctuating capital, why it is capital and all the things first coming, let's see. I'm going to board. Yes, visible.
Yes, sir.
Here partner A, B and C, three partners are there. Okay, now partners A contributed 2 lakh rupees, B contributed 5 lakh, C contributed 3 lakh. It can be possible, right? So these are the contribution they have done. And after completion of year, they earned a profit rupees 6 lakh rupees. 6 lakh
Hmm.
rupees. After completion of, they earned a profit rupees 6 lakh. Now this 6 lakh rupees will be distributed among them. Now this 6 lakh rupees distributing among them, so there will be not given in the cash form to them, right? There will be transferred to their account. So when they are transferred to their partnership account, that means of what? Say example, first partner A getting 1,50,000. Okay, as per the share, we are not having any share. That just I'm telling you. Huh? The partners
Yes.
B getting, because of the capital was more, 3 lakh rupees. Okay,
Hmm.
and partner C getting 1 lakh
1
50
lakh.
thousand again. Okay. Now, if that profit, these all are the profit goes to partner ABC. Now, partners A's capital combinedly become what? Say 2 lakh was there, plus 1 lakh 50,000 goes to that account, so that his account become 3 lakh 50,000.
Yes, sir.
And here 5 lakh B was, and that another profit including to him, that is 3 lakh. So now he is become 8 lakh, right? And another account, that is C's account, was 3 lakh, and 1 lakh 50,000 again adding to him, that is 4 lakh 50,000. Correct or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It is fine up to this.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. Now, if it is already that before it was how much capital, if you have That 2 lakh rupees capital before you have.
Hmm.
Now how much capital become?
3,50,000.
Indirectly, if before it was 2 lakh, now it is 3 lakh 50,000. Indirectly, can I say this is the change of capital?
Yes, sir.
So this change of capital known as the fluctuating capital. This means changing, fluctuating capital. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
This also fluctuating, this also fluctuating. So this is one of the method as a fluctuating capital method. One more method is telling that is fixed capital method. That company telling, firm telling that what are the money you have given in the form of capital, 2 lakh rupees, any one of the profit you are earning from partner A, partner B, and partner C, 3 lakh. Any one of the profit coming from firm, that will be not to be added here.
Oh,
If it is not added, just a second, I think, yes, it is there. If not to be added here, think about, if it is not to be added, the partner's capital should be fixed. Capital should not be changed. Got the point? You understood the concept what I'm talking?
yes, sir.
So there will be the two types of method. There will be one is that fluctuating capital method, another one is fixed capital method to distribute partners profit or partners any one of the earning from the firm. So the maintaining of that records, we are maintaining partners capital account. So partners capital account for the maintaining what? Maintaining of the partners all benefits or profit you are getting from the firm. For that, we are maintaining capital account. So this capital account can be fluctuating, can be fixed. I hope clear.